This customer ordered sample set 3, and sample set 3 comes with Pure Stinging Nettle Scalp Tonic, the Lavender Tonic. She gets the Retained Butter, the Neem Butter, Scalp Treatment Wipes, the Dry to Wet Shampoo, my Hairline Serum, the Hair Mask, the Nettle Hair Mask, Pure Stinging, the Pure Nettle Oil for hot oil treatment, as well as the herbal tea. So this order is packed and it is ready to go. So I'm just going to cover. And inside I also have each of the instruction cards inside this little packet here. So it's a card for every item in this order. Also, I'm giving this customer a sample of my scalp pimple drop. So that is her gift. Close it over. And I'm packing this order in a regional A box. So inside goes the sample set 3. And the customer ordered my new product, my Pure Stinging Nettle Shampoo Bars. I am so excited to finally launch my new product. So this is a great shampoo. It's Pure Stinging Nettle shampoo, and nettle is great for hair loss. And the instructions, ingredients, and soap care is on the back. So I am so excited. I received so many orders for this product, and I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that supported me on the launching of this shampoo. So I will place that inside here, and then I will close it over and pack my next order.